So if you had 4 hours of your management time on the floor, coaching, training, helping the speed of the system, which then translates into real dollars, what's that worth to you? In our world, 4 or 5 seconds makes a difference. My name is John Piper. I'm with McDonald's restaurants, and my company name is Piper Foods. Kind of in our world, if you have anything less than 20, you're a rookie in McDonald's. So definitely not a rookie. No, been around. I actually was the chair of our National Technology Forum. As the chair, I actually went and had all of the suppliers present to us. And again, this was one of the items that, from my side, certainly would make things a heck of a lot easier in the restaurants and very efficient. Came out of that and was, again, sold that the Gemsys system was the one. We went at McDonald's and owner-operators a number of times about Gemsys and the WebSafe system. I believe the majority of them, if not all, have actually switched over to the WebSafe because they saw how efficient it was. Gemsys and the WebSafe itself is essential. The efficiencies that you gain, like, you don't touch money twice. You're saving huge amounts of time, huge. If I had one piece of advice for other owner-operators, buy the system. Install it yesterday.